Okay, so we've come to a video about Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a video conferencing piece of software where you can join in a group and have video on and also sound. It's a good way to work collaboratively, and with COVID-19 here, you've probably had an online meeting or online lesson with one of your teachers, and they may happen in the future as well, because we don't know what's around the corner. Now, what I've done as myself, I've set up a meeting and I've sent an invitation to this test account for 1 o'clock today. So we're a little bit late at the moment. You can click RSVP, which just tells the person that's giving you the invite that you're going to join. But as you approach 1 o'clock, as you approach the meeting time, on the right hand side it'll give you a reminder. All right, so all you need to do to join is just click the reminder. Click the reminder and it's going to load in Teams. There is a desktop app for this, but also you can join online. All right, so you can see here we're going to join the Teams meeting just by clicking join. All right. Okay, we'll do it this way. So you can do it as I said, an online app, or you can do it with a desktop app. And I downloaded the desktop app, so mine's going to open using the desktop app. But if you don't have the desktop app, that's fine. You can just use it online. So it's just going to take a few moments just to load this in, hopefully. While it's loading in, one of the key things to think about is that when there's lots of people talking at the same time, you can get an echo, a reverberation. I think this is because my first time of doing it. There we go. Oh, well, we don't want any camera, do we? So let's turn the camera off. All you can see is my fan, but I'm going to turn the camera off anyway. Okay. In fact, let's put the camera on and let's have a bit of fun. And hopefully we'll be able to see this character. There he is. So we'll pretend that that's you, yeah? I can't get him to sit up. Is he going to stay there? Who knows? There you go. Okay. Here you can click to mute yourself, all right? But as soon as you're ready, what you can do is click join now. Now I've already joined with the other people, so I have to go to my other computer now, I think, to let you in. Just give me a second. Okay, so kind of bizarrely, but there you go. I've now set up the meeting. It's a meeting between two teddy bears, it seems. And you probably heard in the background we had some like an echoey effect. I don't know if you could hear that. And that's because we didn't have this on mute. So you can see that I'm actually on mute on my other computer. On this one, if you're not going to talk, your best bet is just to click mute. Listen to what everybody has to say. And then when it's your turn to speak, unmute it, and that'll stop the echo effect. That'll stop the echo effect. Okay. There are other things you can do with this. There's lots of stuff in here. You've got a conversation, which you can actually have a chat at the same time, so you can actually put some questions in here, about without disturbing the conversation. Okay. You can also share your screen. You can share your screen. So if you click that, you can share your screen. So I can share whatever I want to share with the group. Okay. Oops. And you can also, and I can't remember how to do it, you can actually put your hand up, all right, just to say that you want to speak. And for some reason I can't find it at the moment. Oh, isn't that annoying? Okay, so maybe another video for that one. Okay, but basically this is how you would use Microsoft Teams. The etiquette on this is to, obviously, if you've got a video showing, or even if you've got sound on, is not to do anything offensive or inappropriate. So as the organizer of this, because I'm the organizer, I would have the ability to boot you, to actually remove you from the group. Okay. Always say hello when you join in, so unmute it and go hello everybody, and everybody knows you're there. But apart from that, that's it. Yeah. In order to end it, then you just click hang up. That's what you do, is click hang up, and that ends the whole thing. All right. So yeah, that's Microsoft Teams. There's not much more to say about it. All you've got to do is keep an eye on your inbox, on your email, and if it says that you've got a meeting coming up, just click it, click join, and the rest is pretty simple. Okay, so good luck with that.